Hello everyone. So today we're going to make a foaming sugar scrub. We have our foaming bath whip here, and we have our sweet almond oil and our fragrance and preservative. We're going to put it all together. Now, I'm going to take this, put it in our stand mixer. I like to use a stand mixer because I feel like it gets whipped better, and I'm kind of impatient holding the handheld mixer. So we're going to mix it. Some people like to melt it or heat it up before they whip it. I just like to whip it cold. Now once it starts to peak is when you know it's ready to add the oils. So I add in the oils and I keep whipping. And as you see, it's getting fluffier. Then I'm going to add in the sugar. I like to use 80 grams of sugar for this formula. You can always add more if you want. If you like it, if you want it to be scrubbier, but I like this consistency. As you see, it's creamy. And you can see the sugar crystals. Now we're going to fill it. And for the color, I did not use mica. I used a liquid soap colorant. You can use mica if you want to. Just my personal preference to use that. And you see the texture. Like I said, if you want to add more sugar, you can double the sugar if you want. Now you see the spreadability. It's a nice creamy texture. It doesn't fall apart. It doesn't fall off your skin when you rub it off, so you don't have to worry about that in the shower. And it does get soapy, but I was not adding enough water, so my apologies. But the recipe will be listed below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned.